Hey everyone, I want to share with you the October box of Your Creative Studio, and I have the September box unboxing also on my channel. You can check that out. I just took a glimpse. There's some really fun stuff here, so let's get started. I'll just pull out some random stuff, and there's a really cute thank you note that of course you can use. Okay, let's just start pulling stuff out. So we have note paper, and this is how it looks. Really nice, very, I would say, easy to use, usable, very pretty. And there is another one. And I would definitely consider adding these. Ooh, the other side has this nice cream color. This I would totally add into a little traveler's notebook junk journal insert. I do that. I like to add little smaller papers in the middle, so that would totally work. Let's see how the other one looks. Ooh, also pretty. And this one you can do this. And I've used the one from the September box already in my insert, and I really like the size, and you can also journal on this, so really nice. You can get a lot of use from these two. These are, I don't know, let's see, I guess they are stickers. So you can see that the style is kind of vintage, but it's not too dark and distressed. So I really like it. So yeah, these are stickers and they're beautiful, and yeah, I really like, I love images of old cameras, and the colors here are my kind of distressed. Oh, this is a super cute stamp. I think I actually picked one up like this. Okay, let's open it. I think I have something really similar that I picked up in Israel last time I was there, because I just really liked the way that it looked. This is the one that oh, it's not the same, yay! So really cute stamp. I love stamps of cameras because I feel like you can pretty much put them on anything. So this is the one that comes in the kit. And what else? Retro sticky note. Really cool packaging. It's a sticky note and it looks very cool. What else? Ooh, this looks pretty. I love this. This would be so fun in a junk journal. So we have little envelopes, and they are beautiful, and they have these beautiful prints on both sides. Love this. Again, this is like distress that I like, because oh, look at this. I love the detail here. You have, just give you a close-up, the owl, super pretty. Feels really nice also, like really nice. Try to get everything. The detail here is beautiful. Love it. Ooh, lots of old vintage cameras. This is so my kind of vintage. So what's happening here? Okay, there's a ton of stuff in here. Oh, this is great. Love this. This is so cute. This is so perfect for junk journals. I love it. So we have all the numbers, and this feels like a sticker. Yes, it is a sticker. I love that. Because I'm lazy, so I like it when I don't have to work too hard. Okay, I think I will use these immediately. So you have 31. So you can put these on every day of the month. You can use even 2 or use it for 2 months because you have 2 full sets. Great. There's still more. Then we have these, no, that's a washi. I was gonna say that I thought it's tape. Like flakes. Anyway. Super cute. So it's music note washi, thin one, very cute. And there's another washi. Okay, this one is fantastic. First of all, let's appreciate the label, and then let's get into it. And this is full of vintage cameras. I have to say that Amanda picks themes that are just so my thing. Okay, I love this. So this is kind of more vintage, but it has all these cameras, and yeah, that's till here. And then it starts repeating, of course. You get a whole roll of washi. Tons and tons. Beautiful. Love it. There is more. Okay, there's a stamp set, and it's super cute. That dude is a bit scary. But these would look so great. Really, really cute. Of course, goes really well with the theme. And then we have some pattern paper. This one is vellum. It's lovely. Then this one has also some foil detail. Super cute. Very fitting for the season. This has a really nice feel to it. This is a sticker, which I love. It's just such an easy background or element to add. You could fussy cut that pretty owl. Add those, or you know, just have that as a background. So this one is also a sticker with this lovely artwork on it. And last but not least, just the packaging is so cute. So this is like a matchbox. And it's full of cute little ephemera. I love it. So these are also, yes, they are stickers. Perfect. But it has such a nice feel to it. It has like a matte finish. And then I think there are 3 from each design. So let's just go quickly. I'll show you, try to show you everything. I love anything travel themed. Travel theme and like old photography, like vintage photography. Sorry, dude, it covered your face. I love. There's just so much here. I really think it's great value, these kits. If you like junk journaling, if you like art journaling, and you like this kind of vintage style but not too dark and heavy, check these out. They are just beautiful, and I think that's it. Love it. So thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna play with all these goodies, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.